Watch Hobby, and today we're doing another unboxing. This is an Orient Star. You can see it's a long box, so usually Orient Star, when it comes with a very long rectangular box, chances are it is a strap based watch. Now this is the new sports version, the outdoor green reference AU0208E. Right, okay, let me open it up. As I said, long box. This is where the documents are. This is the main box itself. Beveled front, nice Orient Star logo and brand in silver, and there it is, the watch. This is the, again, reference AU0208E, green dial, round leather strap. The tab, price listing Malaysia, 3,400 ringgit. This is it. Anyway, I'll be doing a review, or I'll be writing a review as well, a video review of this, and soon you will look out for it. So follow the channel, give it a like. Bye.